A sincere Yoruba person and prophet of God has this to say about Igbo people and Biafrans. This is just the bitter truth. I know many don't like to hear it, but I love the fact that God is using some indigenous Yorubas to spread the message. Just watch the video and hear it yourself.
Every single mistake, we accuse them. We are busy burning down their shops, destroying their property, working all day. What is it? Sometimes I feel like crying for the Igbo people. What is it? I'm saying this thing is really hurting me. It's paining me from my heart. How did the Igbo now become the problem of the protest? Are the Igbo the problem of Nigeria? Are they? Presidency will not give them. Vice president will not give them. Senate president will not give them. And nothing. They don't have any important position they are handling in Nigeria. Still, we will not see let them get peace. Because a job. Let's allow these people to rest. They are also Nigerians. If we really say we don't want them again, then let them go. Give them their Biafra, let them go. Let's know that Igbo people are no longer part of Nigeria. Maybe they go. This hatred, this backbones on the Igbo is busting my head. I know a lot of people are going to come after me, abuse me. Nigeria, you say the truth, you are a problem. Please, I beg you. Then this go to the Igbo. The Igbos. A city divided against himself cannot stand. It is our time for you people to come together and start speaking one voice. All the billionaires in Igbo land, all the celebrities in Igbo land. It is time for you people to come together and start speaking one voice. You people are too divided. The Igbos are too divided. Come together. You can see, well, I'm not an Igbo man. There's no time I'm coming to Igbo land to collect a chief justice title. But I'm only concerned as a servant of God, as a prophet of God. I am only concerned. Please, let's have mercy on the Igbo people and stop all this hate on them. I don't think it's a good one. May God bless you. Please, I am only speaking as a man of God. I don't have any interior motive. I don't know. Every single mistake we are.
I remember listening to one of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's electrifying broadcasts on Radio Biafra in 2009, when he said, and I quote, "Every degrading human condition endured by Biafrans between 1967 to 1970 will be visited on Nigeria in the coming years. That way, they will know that I am a servant of the Most High." Mr. President, your staff can get the very clip for you to listen to because within a space of 4 years after this broadcast, insecurity across northern Nigeria spiraled out of control, resulting in many Nigerians abandoning their homes to become refugees in what euphemistically tagged IDP camps. This was exactly how Biafrans fled their homes during the Biafra-Nigeria War to become refugees in camps run by World Society of Churches. Mr. President, in recent times, as this picture here attests, many children across northern Nigeria are suffering from malnutrition and kwashiorkor, the same condition visited upon Biafran children. If you are in doubt, sir, please call for the latest report from Médecins Sans Frontières on the epidemic of malnutrition in northern children. Anybody asking you to keep detaining Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your greatest enemy and does not wish Nigeria well. The more you detain him, the more Nigeria will fall into the abyss. This is the gospel truth. Let nobody say you are not warned. That's why the North are today protesting and asking to leave Nigeria and form their Ariwa nation, the same thing that Biafrans have been asking for and are being killed for it. Biafra is a spirit, not just any kind of spirit, but the spirit of God, and you can't fight God and win. Just so you know, Biafra has come to stay. No power can stop her.